Learn Hindi adjectives fast. Gorgeous, interesting, boring, easy, complicated, fantastic in
Hindi.
Welcome to your Hindi adventure. Hey, you're about to learn 6 super useful Hindi adjectives without falling into an
Wow.
grammar swamp. Ready to sound smarter, funnier, and a little more dramatic? Today your stars are gorgeous, interesting, boring, easy, complicated, and fantastic. In Hindi, they are
खूबसूरत, दिलचस्प, उबाऊ, आसान, जटिल,
and.
शानदार.
Say them with me once like a confident movie narrator.
खूबसूरत, दिलचस्प, उबाऊ, आसान, जटिल, शानदार.
A very dramatic tea party. Let's meet the words inside a tiny comedy scene. Imagine you are at a tea party where everyone has very strong opinions. You enter the garden and whisper, "Wow, this place is."
खूबसूरत,
That means gorgeous. The flowers look like they hired a professional stylist. Then someone starts telling a strange story about a dancing goat who became a mayor. Oddly, the story is.
दिलचस्प,
That means interesting. But then another guest reads a 20-page speech about socks. Even the teacups look sleepy. That speech is.
उबाऊ,
Meaning boring. A child solves a puzzle in 3 seconds and shrugs. It was.
आसान,
The child says, easy, of course, tiny genius. Then you try to assemble a chair with 14 screws, no manual, and one mysterious duck-shaped part. Ah yes, this is.
जटिल,
Meaning complicated. Finally, the tea arrives with perfect snacks, music, and a sunset. You clap and say, this is.
शानदार.
Fantastic. Quick meaning lock in. Now let's glue each Hindi word to its English meaning. Keep it light, and repeat after each one if you want. Gorgeous is.
खूबसूरत,
The garden is.
खूबसूरत,
Interesting is.
दिलचस्प,
The book is.
दिलचस्प,
Boring is.
उबाऊ,
The lecture is.
उबाऊ,
Easy is.
आसान,
The question is.
आसान,
Complicated is.
जटिल,
The problem is.
जटिल,
Fantastic is.
शानदार,
The show is.
शानदार.
Mini dialogues you can steal. Here are short dialogues you can borrow in real life. Very legal, very useful. A. This view is amazing. B. Yes, it is.
खूबसूरत,
A. Is this article boring? B. No, it is.
दिलचस्प,
A. How was the class? B. It was.
उबाऊ,
A. Is this exercise hard? B. No, it is.
आसान,
A. Is the design simple? B. No, it is.
जटिल,
A. How was the concert? B. It was.
शानदार.
Memory tricks with extra drama. Let's make the words stick with silly images, because your brain loves weird things. Honestly, same. 4.
खूबसूरत,
Imagine a cat in sunglasses staring into a mirror and declaring, I am absolutely
खूबसूरत,
gorgeous cat, zero doubt. 4.
दिलचस्प,
Imagine a potato giving such a fascinating speech that everyone takes notes. A very
दिलचस्प,
potato. 4.
उबाऊ,
Imagine a snail giving a speech so slow that another snail yawns. That is deeply.
उबाऊ,
4.
आसान,
Imagine a superhero solving a puzzle in 1 second and saying, 2.
आसान,
Single quote. 4.
जटिल,
Picture a sandwich with 50 layers, 3 sauces, hidden stairs, and emotional backstory. Very.
जटिल,
4.
शानदार,
Imagine fireworks, applause, and a potato wearing a velvet cape. Completely.
शानदार,
Speed drill. Now you answer in your head, or out loud if nobody is judging you. And if they are judging you, impress them anyway. What is the Hindi word for gorgeous?
खूबसूरत,
What is the Hindi word for interesting?
दिलचस्प,
What is the Hindi word for boring?
उबाऊ,
What is the Hindi word for easy?
आसान,
What is the Hindi word for complicated?
जटिल,
What is the Hindi word for fantastic?
शानदार,
Tiny challenge. Let's level up. I'll give you a situation, and you choose the right Hindi word. A sunset over a lake. Which word fits?
खूबसूरत,
A mystery book that pulls you in. Which word fits?
दिलचस्प,
A meeting that could have been an email. Which word fits?
उबाऊ,
A beginner exercise with obvious answers. Which word fits?
आसान,
Instructions with too many steps and one missing page. Which word fits?
जटिल,
A concert that makes you want to clap, dance, and text all your friends. Which word fits?
शानदार,
Wrap up and keep going. Nice work. You just learned 6 Hindi adjectives and survived the potato-based teaching method. That is already.
शानदार,
Let's say them one last time.
खूबसूरत,
For gorgeous.
दिलचस्प,
For interesting.
उबाऊ,
For boring.
आसान,
For easy.
जटिल,
For complicated, and
शानदार.
for fantastic. Thanks for listening and learning with me. Keep practicing, use the words out loud, and come back tomorrow so Hindi feels more and more
आसान